Welcome back to the Bong Radio. Gas is the best suited to extinguish oil or flammable liquid fire. Option A. Foam. (71) A. Foam. 72. Actual equipment of computer system that can be touched is option A. Hardware. হার্ডওয়্যারকে আমরা ছুঁতে পারি। 72 A. Hardware. 73. The first priority when working with a hand tools is option A. Don't make any mistakes. Option A. कोई गलती ना करे। 74. PV diagram is stand for pressure volume diagram. Pressure volume diagram. Option A. Compression loss in IC engines occurs due to A. Leaking piston rings. 76. The body of engine is known as cylinder blocks. A. Option A. Cylinder blocks. Cylinder block. 77. Which problem occur in a Tupperware? Option A. Making cylinder bore concept. ত্রিভুজাকৃতির concept হয় একদিকে মোটা একদিকে সরু। 78. Which of the following method is used in repairing of cylinders? A. Cylinder reboring. B. Cylinder grinding. C. Cylinder lapping and honing. D হবে উত্তর all of these. D. (79) The turbocharger uses B. Option B. Energy of exhaust gases. Energy of exhaust gases. 80. Which exhaust system component shown in the picture below? এই যে ছবিটা আছে এটা কিসের ছবি? Option A. Exhaust manifold. 81. Which of the following system layout of an engine shown in figure below? নিচের এটা কিসের ছবি দেখা যাচ্ছে? এখানে একটা কার্বুরেটর দেখা যাচ্ছে, তাই কার্বুরেটর থেকে এসআই ইঞ্জিনে মানে স্পার্ক ইগনিশনে, তাই এ হবে ফুয়েল সাপ্লাই সিস্টেম অফ এসআই ইঞ্জিন। 82. What happened in the float chamber during the idling action of fuel pump? Option A. It stay full. 83. The rating of CI engine fuel. CI means compression ignition. Fuel diesel ही है सब समय. Diesel is given by A. C10 number. C10 number. 84. When the fuel is supplied by the injection pump, it exerts sufficient force against the spring to lift the A. Nozzle valve. 85. In a diesel engine, the fuel is ignited by C. Heat resulting from the compressing air that is supplied for combustion. 86. The principle of a radiator. The principle of a radiator of an engine cooling system is to A. Spread out hot water over a large area. 87. Water is a poor electrolyte, so an acid is added to increase its conductivity. Acid is B. Sulfuric acid. 88. The term trickle charge is associated with C. Lead acid battery. Lead acid battery. Euro and Bharat standard are dash for motor vehicles. This is emission standard. BS standard 6 4 90. The function of positive crankcase ventilation PCV system is the function of positive crankcase ventilation PCV system is that it returns blow by the gases from the crankcase to the intake system. A hobe. A. Option A. Which of the following 91. Which of the following catalyst material most commonly used? A. Platinum. B. Palladium. C. Rhodium. Sabhi hoga. D. All of these. Which of the following dashboard indicator system is shown in the figure below? This figure shows engine overheating indicator. Option A. Engine overheating indicator. Engine overheating হয়ে গেলে এটা দেখায়। 93. Which of the following dashboard indicator system is shown in the figure below? Which of the following dashboard indicator 93 symbol is shown in the figure below? Oil level indicator. Option A. Oil level indicator. 94. The tool which is used to remove gear, bearing, wheels, pulleys from their attaching component is pullers. Option होगा pullers. Option C. Pullers. 95. Major disadvantage of LPG as fuel in automobiles is dash. C. Reduction in life of engine and less power compared to gasoline both. Option C. 96. A car that utilizes two or more different fuel sources to operate the car is known as a hybrid car. That is hybrid car. C. 97. Hydraulic fluid might be transferred with pipes, tubing, or hose. Pipes are often made of non-stainless steel material. Steel material. D. 98. Which of the following sensor is used for measurement of mass flow rate? Which of the following sensor is used? C. Hot wave sensor. hot wave sensor? C. 99. Dash sensor senses rotation of engine camshaft for speed and timing of injection. C. Camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor. C. And the last question, 100. Which of the following is major pollutant emitted from the exhaust due to incomplete combustion? Carbon monoxide. B. Hydrocarbons. C. Oxygen of nitrogen. सभी होगा all of these. D. So guys, please জানাবেন কেমন লাগলো, লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করবেন।